How much time and money are weak batteries or surprise breakdowns costing you on your golf cart? Wouldn't you want peace of mind and reassurance that no matter what, you have an on-call mechanic whenever you need? If that sounds like something you're interested in, then welcome to RidgeCare. 5 services, 1 yearly plan. The first one is called Battery Blitz. From load testing to cleaning, charging or reviving, and even full replacement, your batteries get the works. Next up is Axle Armor. Your axle and drivetrain stay protected with fluid checks, grease, and the maintenance that keeps it going. Next is Wheel Warrior. All things wheels, tires, bearings, and bushings, alignment, you name it, and I handle it. Next on the list is Frame Fortress. From wiring and frame checks to suspension, I make sure your wiring is good and your ride comfortable. Last but not least, Light Lockdown. Headlights, taillights, fuses, shields. I make sure you can be seen and see, day or night. Oh, and by the way, RidgeCare members get 10% off shields when you buy from me. Not bad, right? That's over $1,600 in value for $600 a year. RidgeCare. Reliable carts, less stress, more play.